It's time for another episode of Tips and Tricks with Applewood. Before installing a new water heater, ask these 3 key questions. What type and size of heater is suitable for my home? Traditional tank heaters are affordable and store a set amount of hot water. Tankless models cost more upfront, but deliver endless hot water on demand. These are the 2 most common options, each with pros and cons. Overall cost including installation? Don't just look at the sticker price. Factor in labor, materials, and any hidden fees. Always get a full quote from your technician and ask about warranties or discounts. What is the expected maintenance and lifespan of this system? Tanked water heaters typically last 10 to 15 years, while tankless systems last around 15 to 20 years. Annual professional inspections keep your water heater running safely and efficiently, and investing in a quality system can extend its life. Installing a new water heater doesn't have to be stressful. Just follow these simple steps, do your own research, and ask plenty of questions along the way, because the comfort of you and your family is worth it. We thought you'd like to know.